Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. Some tasks are big and risky enough that you want the agent to think before it touches anything. In this lesson, we look at plan mode, where Antigravity researches your codebase and lays out an approach first, changing nothing until you approve it. It's how you keep a large, sensitive job under control from the start. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in a project where we're about to ask for a substantial change. Rather than let the agent start editing, let's put it in plan mode first. The plan command enables plan mode, and the first thing to know is that it's read-only. From this moment on, the agent can research and read files freely, but it is not allowed to change a single line until we say so. Now we give it the actual task. We ask it to migrate our authentication layer to a new library. Notice it doesn't jump straight into edits. Instead, it starts exploring the code to understand what's actually there. Watch it work through the codebase. It's reading the current auth module, tracing where those functions are called, and mapping the dependencies, all without writing anything back to disk. And there it is, a structured plan. The agent lays out each step in order, from swapping the library to updating the call sites and the tests, so you can see the whole shape of the change before any of it happens. Here's the key moment. Nothing has changed yet. You review the plan, and only when you move out of plan mode does the agent begin executing it, turning that approved outline into real edits. One more thing worth knowing. If you used an earlier version, this replaced the older planning command in version 1.1.0, so the plan command is now the single way you reach this mode. Here's what to keep from this lesson. Plan mode makes Antigravity think first and act second, laying out an approach before it touches any code. It's fully read-only while planning, so the agent researches and drafts, but nothing on disk changes. You review the plan, and execution only starts once you move out of plan mode, keeping risky tasks under control. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 8, where the agent's command opens the agent manager to oversee your subagents.